Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Kabitis. I'm here to show you how to make sure you can do the quizzes for the week of April 20th. It's about finding R, or the rate, in an exponential growth or decay equation. So let's look at this first question here. It says find R if the equation is y equals 6 times 1.02 raised to the n power. And you notice you have to pay attention if things are increases or decreases. First of all, you know it's an increase because what you're multiplying by is a number greater than 1. So something's been added to 1. So you know it's an increase. But is it 2% or 20%? Let's make sure we know how to find out. So this is the equation that I had. Okay. If you remember, this is our ending value. This was our starting number. This is 1 plus or minus our rate, and then this is number of time periods. Okay, so this must have been 1 plus our rate. Okay, is 1.02. If I subtract 1 from both sides, that means my rate was 0.02. You need to remember how percentages work. If I want to convert this to a percentage, I move the decimal to the right 2 places. That means this was a 2%, and I know I was adding. I'm greater than 1. This is a 2% increase. Okay, let's try another one. Let's check out question 3 on here. It says find R if the equation is 6 times 0.8 raised to the n power. Now I know this is a decrease. This number I'm multiplying by is less than the number 1. So I know it's a decrease. Is it 80% or 20%? You might be inclined to think it's an 80% decrease, but let's have a look at the actual math. We have this. Remember, ending amount, starting amount, 1 plus or minus our rate to the n power. So this is what we're dealing with here. We know we have a decrease. I subtracted my rate from 1 and I got 0.8. I know it's a decrease. I know I'm subtracting. Now I need to solve this for R. So just, you can literally just do algebra from here on out. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, bring down negative R. 0.8 minus 1 on my calculator is negative 0.2. I divide both sides by negative 1. R is positive 0.2. How do I convert that to a percentage? Remember, I move my decimal point over twice. That means I have to put a 0 here in order to do that. I have a 20%. Again, I knew it was a decrease. Okay, that makes sense because I know that 0.8 and 0.2 add up to 1, and 80% and 20% add up to 100%, so that really makes a lot of sense. I hope this helped. Thank you.